This segment of The Exchange is sponsored by the law offices of David L. Carrier. David is here, armed with an iceberg and a lot of donuts, to tell us why we should not let our planning go down with the ship.
That's
Good
exactly
morning.
right. How are you, Catherine?
I am well, the man with a million good props.
Yes,
They help you tell the story, and it is often a cautionary tale so that people make good choices up front.
That's right, cautionary tale. See, one of the problems we have, one of the things that comes up time and time again is people will say, well, why doesn't everybody do it your way? And sometimes we get financial advisors who are not really clued in to what it is we're doing, and so there is some negativity there. There's like, look, wait until it happens, and then we'll rescue you.
Yeah, we'll fix it for you. Yep.
So here's the idea. Extreme close-up, please.
Cute close-up.
You're on the Titanic. This is the Titanic. I built this last night.
I'll bet you did.
Yeah, I did. And so do you want to listen to Homer over here? He says,
Homer Simpson.
Donuts, donuts. You see, don't worry about nothing. You don't have to do nothing. Everything's fine until what happens? Oh no, it's the iceberg. Yeah.
Oh, look at that overhead shot. I like it.
Here, then I better not.
So hit that iceberg one more time, David.
Smash.
Okay, good.
Uh-oh. And then what happens? Boom, there goes your life savings, right? Yeah. And the whole idea is, okay, well, when that happens, here, we got to adjust that so it's like sort of behind the eye. There we go. So when that happens, right, it's like, oh, we'll help you salvage, right? Yeah. We're the Carpathian, we'll come over and, it's like, are you kidding me? So, but that's an attitude, and it's a way people do it. It's like, nothing bad will follow the donuts. Okay, fine.
Well, and too, David, it's a hassle to think about those things. I know it's smart, but I understand following Homer's donuts. I do get it, and you see it a lot. Yeah. But it's not the right way if you want to do it the smart way.
Now, here's the thing. We are pretty good, actually, about salvaging stuff. So if you run on the iceberg, it's not game over. I mean, there is still stuff, very good stuff that we can do at that time. But you have an option. You're not there yet. Marge and Lisa. So we put all the brains in this boat, right? And so here's the idea. You can follow Marge and Lisa. Now, it's not easy. Yeah. I'm not telling you it's easy. Look, you got to go in and out. And guess what? Government keeps making it more difficult.
Changing up the rules along the journey.
Every month. We got more rules to follow. But the thing is, if you do it, hey, guess what? You're not going anywhere near the iceberg. Yeah. You're going to be just fine. And thousands of families have worked with us. Thousands of families have gotten the benefits. And it's one of those things. It's not easy to do this stuff.
You are Marge, sans the blue hair.
So, yeah, okay,
you
there
we
go.
You can take a wig off.
Take that. Oh, it doesn't come off.
She won't serve you in future storytelling. But listen, one of the ways that you act as Marge in people's lives is you do your seminars.
The life plan workshops, right.
Yeah.
These workshops, we're doing 3 a week now. Every single week at the Titanic mothership in Grand Rapids, at our home office. Yep. And then we do alternate in Portage. I'm told I'm supposed to say Portage instead of Kalamazoo, because it really is Portage. Yeah. And if you're from Kalamazoo, you understand the Portage is not Kalamazoo. Got it. Whatever. Okay. But also Muskegon and Holland. Yeah. So 2 out of the 3 every single week. So it's not a matter of, oh golly, I gotta follow the donuts because I have no idea what to do next. Yeah. Instead, Marge is here every single week, 3 times a week, and she's got cookies. Oatmeal raisin, she hands out cookies at these life plan workshops. Okay, if you want to learn more about the workshops and how to get in behind Marge and follow her little boat, you can find a link to David's website. Go to WZZM13.com under the Exchange. You'll find it there. Thank you. 2 credits. Riders Hobby Shop for the iceberg. Yeah. And my son Colin did the boat with Marge on it. Oh, yeah, Colin did that one. Credit where credit is due. Got to give it. Thank you, David. And thanks to you for watching. Make it a great afternoon. We'll see you back here tomorrow for more My West Michigan.